Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name on Messenger. And remember, if you change your Messenger's name, the Facebook which is linked with your Messenger, that name will also be changed. So follow the step which I'm going to show you in order to change your name on Messenger. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, after opening Messenger, at the top left corner, you can see the 3 line. You want to click on the 3 line, and after you click on the 3 line, you can see the setting button. You want to click on the setting button. Now once you're inside your Messenger's setting, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this option which is in blue color called See More in Account Center. You want to click on See More in Account Center, and it's going to bring you to your Facebook's Account Center. Now once you're in this Account Center, the first option called Profiles, click on it, and it's going to bring you in your profile to the first option called Facebook. Click on it, and then it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, you want to choose name, because we want to change our name. And over here, as you guys can see my first name and my last name, I can click on my first name to edit my first name, click on my last name to edit my last name. So the reason I cannot change my name is because I had already changed it like 3 days ago, and you cannot change your name until the 60 day has passed. So remember, if you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. As you guys can see, my name changing is locked. But in order to change your name, you need to come to this place, alright? So yeah, that's how you guys can change your name on Messenger. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more Facebook and Messenger videos just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.